is a strict unboxing, okay? Hello. Hi, alright gang, what's up, how you all doing? So we received a present. Yep, it's a Dior sneakers, and let's see what's in here. I wanted to come to the unboxing here and slay it now, okay? So let's see. Okay, this is just like an envelope. It's not as you. Oh yeah, so this is the client receipt. This is the receipt. So basically it comes in a bag like this, and I like this star here. It's a cute, you know, with the Dior engraved on it. I like it. Makes it feel rich. Over it, and this carton is not bad. Nice animal print. Okay, so this is the box, and okay, so here it comes with a cute thingy. What is this? I'm opening every detail. Like, this is a strict unboxing, okay? Christian Dior. That's all I see here. Like, what was the reason? What was the reason? Okay, this is basically like how to take care of your sneakers. I mean, it was a bit helpful, and in this cute thingy. Okay, so this is the bag it comes with. I mean, I like, you know, I like how detailed they are about it. Okay, so is you ready? Da-da-da, da-da-da. Oh my god, these are cute, baby. Are you kidding me? They look cute, okay? They look cute. They're cute. Okay, so basically this is how they look, and this is a like a card thingy, and it has like something that, and yeah, these are nice. Okay, so like I said, strictly unboxing. We are not done yet. Okay, so the other one, that was cute too. Oh, that's my cuckoo. Okay, so basically the rest is just happy birthday. Yeah, you too. Okay, this is just God. Okay, so now tell me. Okay, it's done. It's done. These are just like, you know, all engraved. The people who are obsessed with Dior. Seriously, fuck. It has Dior all over it. And what is in this bag? Oh, extra pair of legs. Oh, not bad. Okay, guys. So basically, they said to avoid wearing it where there's alcohol or greasy surfaces, but I might wear it to the club today, so wish me luck, okay? In fact, I'm going to try that one now, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, so ta-da, ta-da. So basically ignore my, see, this is a mess, guys. I've been working the entire time, and trust me, I'm gonna pack before I go out, but just needed to be done first. Let me show y'all. Cute, you know, very cute. I mean it.